Thank you, Pete and the fellows. That was the Blue-tail Fly, also known as Jimmy Crack Corn, and it's one of the most requested songs from Pete's album. They say opportunity knocks but once, but Peggy Lennon knows better. Here she is to sing, True Love is Knocking at My Door.
True love is knocking at my True love is knocking at my door. Must be my one and only. Nobody knocked that way before. I know a lot of handsome guys, but I like one the best. He must be something special, 'cause I'm giving up the rest. True love is knocking at my True love is knocking at my door. Must be my one and only. Nobody knocked that way before. True love is knocking at my True love is knocking at my door. Must be my one and only. Nobody knocked that way before. I used to like to meet the gang each day when school was done, but now I meet my true love, 'cause he's a lot more fun. True love is knocking at my True love is knocking at my door. Must be my one and only. Nobody knocked that way before. Nobody knocked that way before. My true